Good morning. This is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. I'm going to be doing some stamping on my Creeper's Gonna Creep by Night Owl Lacquer. On this hand, I have my base coat by Sinful. I have on 2 coats of Creeper's Gonna Creep by Night Owl Lacquer. It's very pretty. It's got some glitter, some black shards, and I have a coat of my fish feet. Today I'm going to be using this plate to do nice glare, to do some stamping. I'm going to be using the fleur-de-lis print. I've got my jelly, what is this called? My jelly stamper by Beauty Big Bang. Warm Pretty Black Stamping Polish, Warm Pretty Scraper, and Warm Pretty Non-Smudging Top Coat. Let me get this ready. Okay. Ouch. Put things on a little tighter than I anticipated last time. I do like this design a lot. I hope it shows up good on my nails. Beautiful. Start with the baby finger. Have your trusty lint roller handy. Cotton swab with nail polish remover. And let's move on to the next nail. This plate is also by 2joy-009. I got it off the Wish app. I buy a lot of my products from there. A lot of my Born Pretty is carried on there. Models 1. A lot of name brand products are carried on there. You ought to check it out. If you need a code, let me know. I can give you one for 50% off. So far, these are coming out really good. That one's a little crooked. And I see I got cleanup to do, which is just beautiful. Especially the black. Black stamping polish is a mess to clean up. Beautiful. Make sure you clean your stamper off after every use, as well as your stamping plate. It is 54 here in Michigan this morning. We had a fall-like day yesterday. Today it's going to be back in the 80s. Gotta love Michigan. Gotta love Michigan. If you don't like the weather, wait. It'll change in 2 seconds. That's something you can always tell when it's summer. It's construction season. Okay, let's get back to stamping now. We've got one nail left to do. And that is the thumb. Put my lid back on my stamping polish. Make sure you always cap those because they do dry out, just like any other polish. And there. Here we go. Whoops. Clean your stamper. Put your cap back on. I love this. Totally love it. Clean off your stamping plate really good. Did not get out my cleanup brush. So let's do that. On the side I have my trusty stamper, listen to me lie. My nail polish remover by Pump. I'm gonna stop right there, and we got some on the skin. I'm gonna try to use this cotton swab to wipe off most of what's around the nail. That's a lot to clean up. There. Now we'll get back to cleanup. I'm not used to doing this with my non-dominant hand. So this will take me a minute. This might be a long video because of it. You never know. Whoops. There, my finger's not too bad. Let's get below the nail over here. Make sure if you've got shorter nails, check under your nail line like I just did there. See if there's any stamping polish there, like under here, that you need to clean up. Because it does get down there. Good idea when you're stamping to put some liquid latex on, so you don't have to do this. Because black is a bugger to clean. There we go. 3 fingers down, 2 to go. Index finger's not really that bad. And make sure you're cleaning out your brush too when you're using this from the black, because the black's just a mess. I love it, but black stamping polish just really creates a mess on your nails. I think this manicure turned out really well. It turned out really well. I hope you're having a good day today. Hope you like this video. I know I'm kind of quiet, but it's also like 6:30 in the morning here. I like to film my videos early while everybody else is sleeping. This is my quiet time. And I like my quiet time. Clean out your brush. You can either use acetone or regular nail polish. I use nail polish remover. That is cleaned out. Put that away. Get your Warm Pretty non-smudge top coat. Lightly glide over your nails like you would any other time. Make sure to cap them. Helps protect from chipping and losing your nail polish. Helps seal it in so no water gets under there. It's best to take one stroke. Let me show you. One stroke down the middle, one down each side, back down the middle again. This nail is kind of short for me to cap it. It's the one nail that I keep breaking. And cap your nail. There you go. This is done. I'm going to put on my fresh feet. I will give it just a minute. I think this turned out really good. It matched up well with the green beneath it. And I love the green beneath it. This is, I got this on Polish Pickup in June. Great polish. I love it. A little hard to get off, and that will be my next video. So I got these clips off of Wish that you can use. They're beautiful. Fold this up a little bit. Now time for my glossy fast drying top coat. Glide it over your nail. I'm not going to cap the ends with this because I am going to be taking this off. Unfortunately, that's my next video, is removing this because of the glitter and the shards that's in it. It's a little harder to remove than just plain regular nail polish. So I'm going to be using these clips, showing you how to remove glitter nail polish. And there we go. There's my mani. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you do. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. Please click the subscribe button along with the bell to get notified of all future videos. If you have any comments, please leave those down below. On Instagram, I'm nailedit67. My email is nailedit67@gmail.com. Please, if you have anything you want to talk about, send me pictures or anything, please do so there. Well, I guess this is the end of this. Until we meet again, have a blessed day. Thank you.